Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beer tower. First, gather all your necessary components, including the main dispenser tube, a sturdy base, and the tap mechanism. Make sure each piece is thoroughly cleaned and dry before you begin. Lay out your tools and parts on a clean, flat surface to ensure a smooth and efficient assembly process. This preparation saves time and prevents any potential issues later on. Now, let's assemble the tower. Begin by securely attaching the tap mechanism to the dispenser tube, ensuring a snug fit to prevent any leaks. Next, connect the dispenser tube to its base, twisting or locking it into place according to your model's instructions. Double-check all connections to confirm they are tight and stable. A properly assembled tower will stand firm and dispense smoothly, ready for your favorite beverage. With your tower assembled, it's time to fill it up. Carefully pour your chilled beverage into the dispenser tube, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top to prevent spills. Ensure the liquid is cold for the best experience. When ready to serve, simply pull the tap handle forward to dispense. Push it back to stop the flow. Enjoy the convenience of serving multiple drinks with ease. Proper cleaning is key to maintaining your beer tower. After each use, rinse all components with warm, soapy water, paying close attention to the tap and tube. Disassemble the tower for a more thorough cleaning, ensuring no residue remains. Allow all parts to air dry completely before storing. This keeps your tower hygienic and ready for its next use. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic reading device and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.